As of right now, I currently use a standard Apple Lightning dock to charge my phone at my desk, while at night I have a Nomad Base Station. While on the go, I use a Anker's power bank and an Apple Lightning cable. This came all the way from Hong Kong, even though I ordered from Nomad's American store. In the box we have the Nomad Base Station Stand, aluminium with leather back and rubber detailing. On the front we also have a charging indicator, and on the back we have a USB-C connector 18 watts along with a ambient light sensor. The ambient light sensor actually controls the brightness of that charging indicator so that at night it's not too bright. While the charger accepts an 18 watt connector, it only charges phones at 10 watts maximum. Also in the box you'll find a braided USB-C to USB-A cable. It's made of good quality material and comes in a good length. Having said that, I would have liked to have seen Nomad provide a USB-C to USB-C cable along with a USB-C power adapter. Also in the box is a user guide, which is fairly self-explanatory, a US adapter, which we won't be needing, and a UK 3-pin adapter, which we will be using, and slots into the power brick. As far as wireless charging stands go, the Nomad Base Station Stand is of a more premium design and build quality thanks to its use of aluminium and leather. However, with that, it carries a more premium price compared to other single device wireless charging stands. One thing to take into consideration is that unlike phones and laptops, this isn't a device that you'll be replacing regularly, and for something that you'll be putting on display, it may be worth investing in.